Hi, this is Lisa from Low Cooking Rubber Stamp. Welcome to my channel. I would like to invite all my viewers to join me for a playtime. What is playtime? Playtime is by using a same stamp set and the same matching die cut to create a card, and then you are going to post this card onto the Local Kings Facebook page, and I will send you $5 gift certificate once when you post this card. So if you'd like to get more information, just make sure you click the link below and then it will explain everything. So I have done few projects already. If you like to learn how to create those cards, just make sure you visit Local King online video library, click the card that you like to learn, and then it will bring you to the YouTube channel. I'm really looking forward to see all my viewers and all your creation. So what I'm going to show you today, that's started. Okay, so this is the playtime set, and I have been using this set for a few times. Rubber stamp is just so much fun because with the same stamps, same die cut, different person, they can create something totally different. That's why I like to invite you guys for a playtime, because I really like to see what other people can create. So before we start today, before I show you today's project, the rubber stamp, sometime you can make a card like this. That take a while to create a card like this. By the way, if you like to learn how to create this card, just make sure you visit Local King video online video library, and then you find a project you like to learn. Click the project, it will bring you to the YouTube channel. But today, actually, I want to show you something very, very simple by using only one impact. So this is the card I am going to show you. See how pretty, how cute it is. And then I only use one impact, one black impact. It's so easy, probably only take you 5 minutes to finish this project. That's why I love the rubber stamp, because sometimes it can be so simple, sometimes you can spend more time. So, but the simple doesn't mean bad. Look how cute is this card that I just made it, right? So that's start today's video. Is going to be a Today's material list, you can't believe it, is just a black impact and the stamp positioner. If you have a stamp positioner, that's awesome. If you don't have it, make sure you watch the video. In my video, I think it's number 43, I have been showing you how to use the DVD case to create a stamp positioner. It's very easy and cheap, and it works. So if you can find a DVD case, that's better because it's a little bit bigger. So I think that won't be a problem. So let's start today's video, and it's going to be a very fast and cute one. And sometimes if you want to make a fast card, this is the perfect project to do it. Okay, so I'm going to make a small card today, and first of all, I'm going to use the half size of the letter size, and we are going to just folding in half, just like that. Okay, so I already put my, let's do this. And then we are going to just open it, put our cards on top, just grab some. Okay, just secure it. You can see I don't use those magnets because sometimes if your cardstock is a little bit too thick, they don't really work well. So this is what to look like. We are going to stamp the inside image first, and then we're going to stamp in the front. So that way you can get the perfect light out, because when if you die cut first and then you want to stamp, there's no way you can do like a matching to the die cut window. So what I'm going to do is we are going to stamp this image, and we're going to flip over, we're going to stamp it, and we're going to die cut it. So I am using the VersaFine, and the VersaFine is a good impact, but the only thing is the VersaFine is kind of take a little bit time to dry. So you can stamp your image anywhere you like. It doesn't have to be in the middle. So I'm going to just give a nice firm press. Let's see. I think that's good enough, because the paper I'm using is actually coated, is a smooth surface. So I don't think so. I think we get a very good image now. And then let's do this. Because my image is still a little bit wet, right? I don't want to ruin my the other side of my paper. So I'm going to just put something there to protect my image. And then we're going to do that. We're going to ink or image. So the stamp positioner is a good tool. If you have the budget, I recommend you can get one. If you don't have the budget, just create one by using the CD case or DVD case. Okay, so now I have my stamp image here, and then I just have to make sure they are completely dry before I do the cutting. Okay, and then now we're going to do the die cut. Just make sure your image is dry, and I've been repeat too many times in my video. Localking's die cut, if you can create a guiding window, this way will help you to get the perfect line up. Okay, so let's see, do we get a perfectly line up or not? There you go. So this is a perfect window. And then this die cut, after we die cut it, you know what? We can still use it. So don't put in the garbage. Just be using for the next project. That's a really, really cute one. And then you still have your guiding window, and just put in the back of your die cut package and ready for next time. And then I'm going to just use this little bone. So for the doggy, we have a little bone here. For the kitty, we have a fish bone here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give some bone here. So just give a nice, just a few. Sometimes you can off a little bit, like here, here, here. Okay, and then I have these words here. So these words, heard you had a rough day. Okay, so the only time, you know, because I have at least a Localking rubber stamp, I buy some other people's artwork too, because I appreciate the good artists, their artwork. The problem is, but when I buy other people's stamp, I cannot really use it, because people always ask me, say, why you don't use your company stuff. But the only one thing I buy all the time and I use it is the sentiment stamp, because the rubber stamp is so gummy. When we want to trimming the rubber, it's really hard to trimming the straight line. So that's why I only buy the clear stamp, the sentiment clear stamp, because this way I can get the good sentiment. Okay, so I have this sentiment stamp. Heard you had a rough day. That's set like this, and I think it's belong to Stamp Dust. And this one they launched in 2014. I think you can still find from the Amazon or from their website. Go check it out. But I don't know what they call it. Just like a doggy set or something. Okay, so we're gonna use this one, and you can use any color you like. So I'm ink my stamp. And this is just a forced hobby. I always have to make sure that I can get a straight line first before I stamping on my final work. So just to grab not final work, final card. So I'm going to just ink. Make sure clear stamp is easier because we can actually see where we're going to stamp, right? So there you go. There you go. Right? And then is the one more touch out. So I am going to make at least the puppy's nose just a little bit red. Not red, pink. So I'm going to just grab a pink color ink pad. Okay, so this is pink. And then this is my mini magic mushroom. Actually, if you like to learn how to make this mini magic mushroom, just make sure you watch the video. I will put the link below. So let's just give a little bit testing here. So that's awesome color. Okay, so you just pick up some color, not too much, but you got to make sure your VersaFine is completely dry before you do that. We just give him a little bit color. That's it. You don't have to do anything. Just put a little bit touch up on the nose and look. This is how easy I create this card. If you like to give a little bit more color, feel free to do that. So what I do is I actually use markers to color few of my bone. Not every single one. If you find out the color is too plain, because I only use the black, right? So you can just use a fine markers to color few of the bone. Isn't that something fast and easy? So on the left side, this is I actually use a Canson water paper. It's a little bit thicker, but and on the right side is a Paper Cuts Matte Coat cardstock. It's a very smooth cardstock, so it get a good impression, especially if you want to working on the shadow stamp. So those kind of the paper they are coated. If you like to get more information about the paper, make sure you check this video. This video I did a review for 10 different kind of paper that you can find on the market, where you can get some glossy paper and what kind of paper good for watercolor and what kind of paper is good for the markers. So this is today's project. It's something so simple and easy, isn't it? So this the playtime promotion is going to be in until February 14th. I'm offering a very good deal for the stem set and matching die set. It's only $29.99. And once when I see you post the card on Local Kings Facebook page, I will send you that $5 gift certificate. If you don't use Facebook, just send me an email and attach the photo, and I will reply your email with that gift certificate, and then you can use it for shopping online. So here is the 20% off coupon code. This code is good for until February 14, 2021. And I'm still working on a few of the other video. I have one sharing coming soon. And then some of you guys send me an email, want to learn how to heat embossing on the acetate. And I will definitely working on the video. And beside that, I'm working on 2021's new design. Everything goes well. So this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.